What's good, my guys? Today I'm going to be trimming my beard. I know. I didn't want to, but we have to. I just wanted a different change, want something different. So here I am cutting my beard, just trimming it a little bit before I actually hit it with the razor. That's the very first piece. Cutting it off, man. Yeah, this is my first time cutting my beard. The very first time, man. I've been growing my beard for probably like 2 years nonstop. So this is like a big change for me. I've never, well, I haven't seen my face without my beard in some time. So it's just different for me. That's why you're gonna see me throughout the video. Just like my facial expression is gonna be like, yo, like, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Like, yo, having a beard is like really like it becomes part of your personality, honestly. But just time for a change, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. And mostly like it's really because my music video that I shot recently. I'm gonna insert a clip here.
I'm tripping off the weed. I just flying high, that's where I wanna be. I do this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Getting in my brain.
Yeah, you guys can watch that video on my other channel. I'm also gonna leave a link to the description of that video if you want to watch it below in the description, and also in the comment section, first comment. Yeah, that's my new song called Trippin'. But yeah, I'm gonna just fast forward now through the beginning of this process, and I'm gonna stop when I need to, just to give some tips or whatever. But yeah, man.
Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Girl she throwing it back, riding on my day, and I fall in love tragedy, but I do not see that she loves me. Love is like a drug, ecstasy. Need you back, hit it from the back. Every time I leave, always come right back. It's a rap, how can you say that? Are you mad? Cause I can't love you back. Why won't you stay? Can you please stay? I'm begging on my knees, I'm trying to tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Girl she throwing it back, riding on my day, and I fall in love tragedy, but I do not see that she loves me. Love is like a drug, ecstasy. Need you back, hit it from the back. Every time I leave, always come right back. It's a rap, how can you say that? Are you mad? Cause I can't love you back. Why won't you stay? Can you please stay? I'm begging on my knees, I'm trying to tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit I do not say that she loves me. Love is like a
All right, here we are on the last section, the last piece of hair on my face, the last big piece. Oh man, here we go. I'm gonna be officially beardless after this last section. It's like pulling teeth, man, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no, hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no, hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa, she be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa, hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind they be like whoa whoa. On me she no no, girl she throwing it back, riding on my day, and I fall in love tragedy, but I do not say that she loves me. Love is like a drug, ecstasy. Need you back, hit it from the back. Every time I leave, always come right back. It's a wrap. How can you say that? Are you mad? Cause I can't love you back. Why won't you stay? Can you please stay? I'm begging on my knees, I'm trying to tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa.
And there you guys have it. I'm all done. This is the final finished look. Show y'all the left side, right side. Came out pretty clean, pretty clean. I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about it, honestly. I don't know if I really like it or not. I'm still getting used to it, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Whether you like it, do you hate it, do you feel so about it? Should I grow my beard back? Should I just keep my beard shaved? I don't know, man. It's kind of, I don't know. I'm still kind of trying to figure it out. I don't know. It's just a big change for me. But yeah, this is pretty much all the hair that I cut off. I think it was like a little bit more than that, actually. That's actually a little bit. I think I threw some of it out already. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my music in the video. All my music will be in the description and also in the first comment. So please check that out. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do care about you guys' opinion. And let me know any type of hair tutorials or hair videos you guys want to see. And yeah, man, we out here. Let's go.
Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind